going to start off with a stick of batter. Don't worry about the ingredients, because I'll leave this in the description below. Okay. All-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder. Have sour cream, some sugar, and some vanilla extract. One more thing we forgot, milk. Okay, we just cut out a parsnip paper that'll fit this pan here. It's going to be the first time around. We're going to start on the frosting part with some cream cheese, stick of butter together. Add a little bit of vanilla. Okay, with a little bit of sectional sugar. Working on a new layer right here. Top piece is the top. I put food color in that, and I'm gonna put this onto the cake. Okay, take a look at that cake. We're not gonna cut into it because we're gonna let it sit for a little while, but that's a YouTube button. We're going to do a taste test on this. Look how moist that is. That is very moist. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss the notification, and I will see you next time. Oh my God.